Struggling with hair loss and wondering which supplement is right for you? Collagen, biotin, and keratin are three of the most talked about solutions, but which one is truly best for hair health? In this video, we'll break down each of these popular supplements, compare their benefits for hair loss, and help you decide which one to incorporate into your routine. Stay tuned to discover which could be the key to healthier, fuller hair. Hair loss can affect your confidence and well-being, but luckily, supplements like collagen, biotin, and keratin are commonly used to support hair growth and prevent thinning. But with so many options on the market, it's easy to get overwhelmed. So, how do these powerful nutrients stack up? Let's explore how each one works and what sets them apart when it comes to boosting your hair health. Let's start with collagen. Collagen is a structural protein that plays a vital role in maintaining the health and strength of your hair, skin, and nails. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's made up of amino acids and is found in your skin, hair, and connective tissues. As you age, collagen production naturally decreases, which can lead to thinning hair and slower growth. Collagen helps by strengthening hair follicles, promoting hair elasticity, and supporting overall scalp health. It's packed with proline, an amino acid that helps in keratin production, the protein responsible for hair structure. By boosting collagen levels, you create a healthier environment for hair growth. Collagen can help reduce hair thinning by supporting your hair follicles and enhancing your scalp's blood circulation, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Next up, biotin, also known as vitamin H or B7, is another supplement that has gained popularity for improving hair health. Biotin is a water-soluble B vitamin that is essential for the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Biotin is often associated with healthy hair, skin, and nails. Biotin strengthens hair and helps maintain its thickness and texture. It supports the production of keratin, the protein responsible for hair structure. A deficiency in biotin can lead to brittle hair, hair loss, and slower hair growth. Biotin is crucial for maintaining strong hair strands, helping to prevent hair breakage and promote healthier hair growth from the roots. Now let's talk about keratin, the protein that makes up the structure of your hair, skin, and nails. Keratin is a fibrous protein naturally found in your hair, skin, and nails. It's the key building block that helps give your hair its strength and resilience. Keratin treatments are often used to improve hair texture, reduce frizz, and add shine. By providing your hair with additional keratin, you help restore its strength and elasticity, making it less prone to damage and breakage. Keratin helps to strengthen and smooth hair, adding volume and preventing split ends. It's especially beneficial for those with weak or damaged hair. So, how do collagen, biotin, and keratin compare when it comes to addressing hair loss? Collagen improves overall scalp health and supports hair follicles, reducing thinning and promoting healthy hair growth. Biotin is crucial for hair strength, thickness, and growth, and helps prevent breakage. Keratin strengthens hair structure, adds shine, and reduces frizz, making it ideal for those with damaged or weak hair. Each supplement plays a different but complementary role in boosting hair health, so it's not necessarily about choosing just one. Depending on your hair's needs, you may benefit from incorporating a combination of collagen, biotin, and keratin into your routine. Incorporating collagen, biotin, and keratin into your daily routine can support your hair in different ways, whether you're looking to reduce thinning, prevent breakage, or restore hair texture. But remember, results take time, and it's important to be consistent. Always choose high-quality supplements and consult with your healthcare provider to ensure they're right for you. For more detailed information on collagen, biotin, and keratin and how they compare for hair loss, check out the link to my full article in the description below. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more tips on hair care and health.